So breaking news just coming into our newsroom. A data breach connected to Connecticut's Medicaid program, also known as Husky, impacting about 22,500 patients.
Yeah, the State Department of Social Services says a hacker got into a small number of Hartford healthcare payment accounts on the Husky provider portal and used compromised employee logins earlier this spring. The files included patient names, Medicaid or account ID numbers, dates and types of care, as well as payment details, though no Social Security numbers or bank account information.
DSS and its vendor Gainwell Technologies say the breach is contained. Letters are going out starting today with offers of free credit and ID monitoring and a toll-free number for anyone who thinks they may be impacted. We have more details on this story on our website, WFSB.com.